The medical media is reporting immunotherapy as a breakthrough in science, but in reality, it's been around since creation of humanity. Immunotherapy involves attempts to resolve a disease by inducing, enhancing, or suppressing an immune response. God created immunotherapy when the great physician made 1/5 of your body immune cells to protect you from what seeks to harm you. Immunotherapy, such as MG-beta 1316 glucan, are classified as cell-based activation immunotherapies and work by amplifying the immune response of immune effector cells, such as macrophages. Immune effector cells, including lymphocytes, macrophages, dendritic cells, natural killer cells, and cytotoxic T cells, work together to defend the body against pathogens seeking to harm your health by targeting abnormal antigens. That's a form of a name tag expressed on the surface of tumor cells. Your immune response and the healthy immune cells, called immunomodulators in all human bodies, protect us from what seeks to harm us individually by being able to recognize, respond, and resolve health challenges. But our immune cells need help. NSC ammunition beta-glucan is suggested as a potent nutritional immune cell modifying agent, extensively researched and internally non-toxic. Research from a decade ago in the Journal of Immunology stated, quote, beta-glucan, an agent without evident toxicity, may be used to amplify tumor cell killing and may open new opportunities in the immunotherapy of cancer, unquote. Beta-glucans in immunotherapy are now an overnight sensation, even though research for decades with specific receptors for beta-glucan in the human body immune cells, and they've existed since creation. A published research study in May of 2016, PubMed 489-8424, reported glucan microparticles or emerging microparticles known for their safety and immunogenicity and high antigen encapsulation efficiency, unquote. The immunogenicity of beta-glucans, such as the micronized microparticulate NSCMG beta-glucan, refers to the ability of beta-glucan to provoke or enable an immune response in the body of a human or animal. Other active agents of immunotherapy include genetically engineered synthetic and natural preparations, including cytokines, defined as small proteins important for cell signaling, and monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies are single-purpose antibodies made by identical cloned immune cells from a unique parent cell. Lab-produced monoclonal antibodies, unfortunately, have no ability to potentiate immune cells, making beta-glucan, which does potentiate and modulate immune cells, an important adjuvant and participant in a delivery system to target specific cancer cells in clinical and preclinical studies. Immunotherapy agents, such as beta-glucan, acting alone or as an adjuvant to monoclonal antibodies, often have fewer side effects than existing drugs. The NSC 100 MG-beta-glucan extra strength containing microparticulate MG-beta-glucan is a non-prescriptive suggested immunotherapy agent. Nutritional Scientific Corporation, or NSC, has participated in beta-glucan research directly for more than 2 decades to continue to improve the performance of the MG-beta-glucan and NSC ammunition products. Choose well. Choose NSC.